Hello, welcome to Cards by Kate Fletcher. Today I am doing a Papercraft Society unboxing video. This is box 6. This is a card making magic box. So let's get into it and see what we've got. So as always, the outside of the box has beautiful foiling detail on it. And from the outside of the box I can tell that what we're going to have inside is very spring-like. You only have to look at the detailing and the watercolour effect flowers. You've got the butterflies, you've got the spring-like flowers, so I think we can expect to see very spring-like dies, stamps, papers inside. So let's see what we've got. So the first thing we have is a message on the box from Christina. Wow, it's time to play again. It is, but that is my slight issue, if I'm honest. Christina was the very first Papercraft Society box that came out. We've only had 5 boxes and we're already back to Christina. And then next month we're going back to Helen Griffin again. So yeah, it's great. It's time to play again. Absolutely. And I'm sure we're going to have some lovely things in here. But I do have a slight issue with how quick they have cycled round again. But I'll touch on that later. So we have our pouch. We have our tissue paper full of goodies. And as always, we have a voucher. Now, what's this one? Claim your free card making magic gift worth $9.99. Okay. So I will have a look at that. I don't normally take much notice of those inserts that are in the boxes because they're normally just money off vouchers and I've not used them. But I will have a look at that. Okay, let's put the tissue paper full of goodies to one side. So again, the pouch ties in with the box, and as I said, it is very spring-like. I love the watercolour effect. I think that's absolutely beautiful. So let's open it up and see what we've got this month. So as usual, we've got our 3 sections. The first section says, have a happy accident, cover it with a flower, gemstone or butterfly. I'm sure that's been written on one of their ones before, but anyway, moving on. So the first thing we have is this. We've got some very nice dies. We have some flowers that look like they will layer up, maybe. That looks like it goes on there, that goes on there, same with those. So we've got some nice layering flowers. We have a Best Wishes die, which is in the bubble. I do quite like it when they do those bubbles. We have like a flourish type thing. I think these ones must be border dies, and again they're very pretty, and we've got like a lattice effect here. Now the thing I do like about this is that they are sticking the dies on the acetate. Can you see there's like a line of tape there? I do prefer that way of doing it. I don't like cutting dies apart, and I do struggle to do that. I don't really have a tool to do it. The tin snips I got for Christmas are rubbish. They just don't cut apart. I use them now for like cutting tape and stuff. So happy to see that they are sticking the dies onto acetate. That's a much better way of doing it, I personally think. So we have the dies, then we have some sentiment toppers. Again, we've got the watercolour flowers in the background, very pretty. So we have Spring Has Sprung, we've got Easter ones, we've got Thank You and Thinking of You, we have got Birthday and With Love. We've got some nice little sentiments down here. If friends were flowers, I'd pick you. Wishing you all the wonderful gifts of spring. Wishing you an Easter filled with love, and may love and beauty bloom this Easter. So there's a few different things there. Let's see what's in the back. Now last time she did a box, I think we just got the same again. Okay, and this time we've got some blank toppers. Look, they're quite pretty. I like those. Look how beautiful they are. You've got the foiling. This one I really love with the watercolour flowers. They're very pretty. So I'm liking those. Just put these back like this for now, sort it out later. Alright, what's in the next section? Don't be too critical of yourself, just enjoy your crafting. Well, I personally am my own worst critic, and I need to do more about acting on that sentiment. Okay, so we have an embossing folder, we have a flourish here, and we have like dots here. So what's that, 5x7 I would say? It's a good size embossing folder. Then we have pretty papers. I like papers. Let's see what we've got in here. So we've got the lovely watercoloured effect one. I really like that. We have two of those. Then we have, it's kind of like you could make an aperture card or something. That's very pretty. I don't tend to make really big cards, but that's you could just use that as a card base, really, couldn't you? We've got pretty spring-like meadow flowers, I would say that is. We get two of each of these, and then we've got the meadow flowers again. Isn't that gorgeous? I think those are really pretty, and again we've got two of those. So those are the papers we've got this month, and they will definitely get used because they are beautiful. So I know I'll definitely end up using those. Just put all this back. Right, now for the stamps. So in the last section we have stamps, and it says glitter makes the world go round. Oh yes it does, you gotta love a bit of bling. Okay, so look how pretty. Friends, art, flowers in the garden of life. On your special day, happy Mother's Day. That's a handy one. Mother's Day is coming up. I don't know about you, but I have started my Mother's Day crafting. And I have to make 3 this year. One for my mum, one for the mother-in-law, and one for my friend's mum. So that will be well used. With love, happy Easter, thinking of you. I like this with the tulips. To me, spring is all about tulips. I love them, so I can see me using that on something. I really like that stamp, and that will be nice to colour as well because they're a decent size. Right, so that is everything that I have in my pouch section. So let's just put this away, and let's get into the tissue paper. So this month we have blue tissue paper. Would have been nice to maybe have a floral tissue paper because we're obviously on a spring box, but it is what it is. I will still use this. Oh, this is bulky this month. Okay, so we have the Papercraft Society booklet with the inspiration, and oh look, Jeanette's done something. That's cool. I hope she's still designing for them even though she's left. That would be awesome. Sorry if you can hear my dogs barking. I don't know what's going on. This weather's driving them nuts. All these storms, honestly. Okay, and there's the page that tells you what's in the box. So yep, that's the little booklet. Right, we have some pretty Easter spring-like ribbon. Oh, we have a ball tool, look, and it's so pretty. It's like pink and purple, and there's a blend. It feels funny. I can't describe that. It's like, oh, I don't know, but it feels really funny, but it feels quality and it's nice. It's a good weight. I've only got a plastic shaping tool, so that's going to be handy. I'm happy with that, very happy with that. Got some inks, so we've got purple, I'm guessing a lime green, yellow, and the pink. So we've got some more inks to add to our collection. As always with Christina stuff, we have pearls. Aren't they pretty? Let's open these up and investigate these a little bit further. You get quite a lot. Got to love some pearls. So we have some pearls. What's this? Trying to decide which colours work together. Look to Mother Nature for ideas. Guide to ink. Okay, that's handy. I don't think we've had one of these before. So this goes through all the different inks. Hybrid ink, dye-based ink, pigment ink, embossing ink, stays on, and distress ink. So that's very handy, especially if you're quite new to crafting. And that's definitely something I will refer to because it's good to know. So I'm going to put a hole in this and put it with my other ones from the other boxes, because I like to keep them all together in my craft section. And now we have some cardstock. So let's investigate this. I'm just going to rip this. I'm not even going to try and not break the seal. Pretty. So these look like they're going to match the inks. So we have like a limey green dotty one. And these are, again, really good quality GSM. So they always are with these boxes. Have yellow, although that's got a kind of pink edge, which is a little annoying, but it's probably not something a non-crafter would see, so we won't worry. We have purple and dotty, and we have pink and dotty. So that is everything that came in the box. So that is it for this unboxing video. I hope you've enjoyed the video and that it's given you a good idea of what you do get in the boxes. I do think they're value for money. I honestly do. I think I paid like £18 something. You do get your money's worth. However, the issue I'm having is how quickly we have cycled round again. That this box is Christina, the next one is Helen. I expected more from Craft Stash, if I'm honest. I would have expected more choice and variety. The contents of the box is quite samey. You always get dies, you always get stamps. It's like, I would like to see a bit of variety in the products that are coming in the boxes. Don't just do your designers, do other brands, do Lawnful, do a tonic box, do Apple Blossom. You know, there's loads of things that Craft Stash sell that they could put in one of these boxes. We haven't had a Claire Rowlands box, which I'm really upset about because she is by far my favourite Craft Stash designer. And we haven't had a Claire Rowlands box yet. So I'm a little bit torn as to whether to keep going with this, if I'm totally honest. I don't know what you guys think. I know on past videos other people have left comments and we've had a good conversation about it, and on certain forums I'm seeing I am seeing that not everyone is happy, shall we say. I think we have to bear in mind that we have got a good deal. If you signed up at the beginning like I did, you have got value for money, but if you're not using the contents of the box, maybe it's not really value for money. Could you then have £20 a month to actually go and buy something you do want? I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm going to see. I'm going to see how the next couple go, and if they keep just cycling through the same people, I think I will be cancelling. You can buy these boxes as a standalone product from Craft Stash. once all the subscribers have got their boxes, so it wouldn't be like the end of the world to cancel. I have heard it's a real pain in the backside to cancel though, even though it's supposed to be able to be done at any point. Apparently it's quite a hard thing to do. So I will keep you informed. I'm going to bear with it. Definitely I'll get the Helen box. Her last box I have used more than any of the others, to be fair, because I like the gift bag die. I don't tend to watch the reveal videos of the upcoming boxes, but I've heard the next one has something to do with her Gable box, so I'd be interested to see. But then I really do think I need to hear who is after Helen and make a decision, because I'm really not happy just keep going through the same five designers. Really, that's not really why I signed up. So yeah, tell me what you think. Would you keep subscribing if it was just the same 5 people rotated? Do you expect more from a brand like Craft Stash? Do you think we're getting value for money? Yeah, let me know in comments. Let me know what you think. But I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. Do drop me some comments and we can have a little chat in the comments. I love getting to know you. I love having a chat. If you are a current subscriber, thank you for coming to watch today's unboxing video. If you aren't currently subscribed to it, please do hit the subscribe button. It does make my day when someone new subscribes. And if you ring the bell, you'll hear every time I upload a video. So that's all for now, and I'll be back soon with more and different videos. And I'll see you really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.